frame assembly. According to the horizontal position of the tripod, insert the foot pad into the tripod. The other side is the same. Assemble the tripod mounting bracket, divided into front and back parts according to direction. Insert it into the tripod. The other side is the same. Remove the protective film. Loosen a screw. Remove the front and rear chassis and GPS mounting bracket. Flip the drone body. Assemble the tripod. Assemble according to the front short and back long method. Secure with the included M46 screws. First fix the JIS screws. Using the included L-shaped wrench, fix the remaining screws in place. Install battery compartment. Use the included M10 screw for fixation. Install battery barrier, also fix with screws. Reinforce the tripod with M10 screws. Install the drone arm C-slot. Adjust the direction according to the front and back. Use M36 screws for reinforcement. The other side is the same. Confirm if the back is high and the front is low. Install the drone arm. Insert the drone arm into the fuselage. Use the included M-loop screw. Insert the nut. Reinforce with tools. The same principle applies to the installation of other robotic arms. First, loosen the screw sleeve. Insert the robotic arm. The other robotic arms also use the same method.